morning vlog. We are gonna go down to the pool, read my book, start my morning off, and I'm still asleep, so yeah. I finally woke up while I was down at the pool, so I'm just put my t-shirt on, my Life is Good t-shirt. We're waiting for her to get dressed, and then we're gonna go to the beach and tan, and then we're gonna go on like a little grocery shopping trip for snacks for the house, and then we're going to go, then we're gonna get ready and stay here because then our grandma's son is coming to have dinner with us. So yeah, we're just waiting. Okay, she ready now. We're going. Hi vlog, we're at the beach. Got our drinks, we got home. She shows me and Emily put our camera. Anyways, chilling. There's a bunch of seagulls over there because the sunboat was just feeding them. They're walking away. Look at the lone guy. He's by himself. All of his friends over here. He's by himself. Hello, Chile. Hello, Chile. Vlog, we're out of here. It is too windy. Look at this. Too cold. We're over it. We got our items. We got breakfast, stack, all the sort. Oh, okay.
This one eating.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
I cut off TikTok.
Oh wait,
What? But wait. See, look on his face, it farted. Did you hear the fart?
Yes.
Oh, shit. I don't know where it went.
And the secondary colors.
I said that, and then you guys are starting to confuse me now.
I don't know, but Dad, you know I like being the center of attention. You know, I like having extravagant ring ceremony. On your wedding day, the bride will be the center of attention. You're so special. Oh my God.